Wix portfolio website. How to use Wix to make a portfolio website. So hello there, today I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website using Wix. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and then search for wix.com and then log in into it. As you can see, I have previously made some websites here. So today I'm going to show you from the beginning that how you can create a new website. So at the top right corner you can see this option, create new site. Tap onto it. So after clicking on to create new site, you have to enter all the informations to AI, because this is much more easier than doing it customly or manually, you can say. Now you have to enter all the descriptions, that what is your website about and etc., and answer all the question the AI asks you. For example, the question is what your site is all about. So I'm gonna tap onto selling electronics gadgets. Now you have to send it, and then it will ask more questions. It will maximally ask you around 7 to 8 questions. Then it will start creating your own website according to your need. So now enter your site name. For I'm gonna tap gadget buddy. Now you have to send it. Now you have to answer all the questions, and then you can create a new website. So let's type in adults. So enter all the informations it need, and now answer all these questions like, do you have any specific goals for your website, such as selling products, building a community, or showing off your expertise in electronics. So I'm gonna tap onto yes to get more leads and sales from my website. Now I'm gonna send it to it, and then let the AI analyze your things, and then you have to share your location, like your business location. So I'm gonna tap onto USA, and then I'm gonna send it. Wait, let the AI analyze. Now you have to answer the question that do you have a unique selling point that sets gadget very apart from other electronics gadget retailers. So I'm gonna tap onto sell authentic products, and you can add more unique description to my store to get more leads. Okay, now let's send it. So wait, let the AI analyze it. Now you have to go to dashboard, tap on to go to dashboard, and then AI will create a very own custom website for you. So there we go, the now it is creating a website for me. Now you can find a domain for your gadgetbudget.com. You have to buy a domain, but before that let's design my site according to me. So I'm gonna tap on to generate a design. You can also pick a template if you want. Now AI will generate me a design. Wait, let it load. As you can see, AI is now generating my website for me. So as you can see, Gadget Buddy, your electronics retailer, and you can read out all of this. Don't worry, I chose electronics niche, like gadget niche, but if your niche is anything else, like for example clothes or service sellings, you just have to enter the questions like them, and then AI will ask you the questions on your niches. Okay, so now you can see the design of my website. As you can see, this is pretty much nice. You can also regenerate the design, or you can tweak the design. So let me show you how it turns out. Wait until it loads perfectly, and then you will see the magic of Wix AI website builder. There we go, you can see it. Now tap on to continue with this design. Now you have to tap on to let's go, or if you go with the let's go this option, then you have to buy a domain and can directly start a website like your own personal store. But for now I want to edit a little bit this website. Like if you want to edit the websites more, then you can tap on to continue to the editor, and then you can edit your Wix website very easily. Let me show you how you can do it. As you can see, this is preparing my website for me so that I can edit it. Wait until it loads perfectly, then I will show you how you can edit their text. You can edit images, or also you can add images. You can change the fonts, you can change the background image color, etc. I will show you everything in details. Let the page load. So there we go, you can see the page is being loaded and I am almost there. Now let's say you want to add this text, for example, discover the latest. Let me add some text here. You can add text, or you can also add animations to it, but for now I'm gonna add some extra text. Latest discoveries. Discoveries. I think the chat is okay. Let's just keep it like that. Now let's say you want to change the font. You can change the font for your need, according to your need. Wait. Okay. Now let me choose the whole text. Now let's say you want to change the font, then you can change the font according to your need very perfectly. Now you can change its size. You can change its you can make it bold, italic if you wish to. Now let's say you want to change the text more, like this one. Okay, now let's say you want to change the color of it, so simply tap onto this color options, and then you can add colors to it. You can also use gradient color if you wish to. Let me show you. Just tap onto it and then you can use the gradient color. Okay, for now let's keep it like that. So that's it. Now you can also edit these images. You can change background according to your need. You can upload images from your PC, and you can also upload from previously made inbox. Now tap on the change background and you can change the background of it. Okay, so you can do it on the every single one. Just tap onto the one that you want to edit. For example, this text you can edit as before, as I showed you. You can add highlights to it. And now let's say you want to edit the image here, right here, then you can just simply tap onto it and you can edit these themes. For example, here you can just change background and then you can add these things. Okay, the same as this one. You can tap onto background, change background, and from there you can choose this one. So that's it. Now tap onto publish and connect it with your domain, and you will be able to create your personal website. So this is how you can create it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.